In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Cricut projects in Canva. If you want to make custom vinyl decals, personalized shirts, or clean card stock designs for your Cricut, one of the biggest challenges is getting a file that uploads properly and cuts the way you expect. A lot of frustration comes from blurry graphics, messy edges, or designs that are hard to separate into clean color layers. The good news is that Canva can make this process much easier when you set up your project the right way from the start. First, open Canva and create a new design using a large custom canvas. Go to Create a Design, choose Custom Size, make sure the unit is set to pixels and enter 5000 by 5000. Then create the design. Starting with a large square workspace gives you more room to build your layout and helps keep your design crisp and clean when you export it later. Once your blank canvas is open, head to the Elements panel on the left side. In the search bar, look for simple graphics using terms like flat vector silhouette, simple outline icon, or minimalist silhouette logo. Then switch to the graphics results and choose an element that has solid shapes and clean edges. Try to avoid anything with shadows, glow effects, realistic textures, or soft gradients because those kinds of details do not translate well into Cricut cut files. Drag your chosen graphic onto the canvas and position it where you want it. Next, add your text. Open the text panel, click Add a text box, and type your message, initials, or phrase. After that, use the toolbar at the top to choose a font. For Cricut projects, bold and solid fonts usually work best because they are much easier to cut and weed. Styles like Montserrat Bold, League Spartan, or Anton are strong choices. Very thin or delicate script fonts may look pretty on screen, but they can be difficult to cut cleanly. After your graphics and text are in place, review the colors in your design. Click each element and adjust the colors so you are only using 1, 2, or 3 solid colors if possible. This is helpful because Cricut design space often separates cut layers by color, so keeping your palette simple makes the cutting process much more organized. When everything looks right, it is time to export. Check your canvas carefully and make sure there are no extra shapes or unwanted background elements. Then click Share, choose Download, change the file type to SVG, and make sure transparent background is selected. Finally, click Download. Now your design is ready to bring into Cricut Design Space as a clean, scalable file. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.